What is up, guys? I am going to be rebuilding this Cardinal vise that I completely restored, and I made new jaw pads for placeable jaws. This vise only had one, so it was missing one, and it was very thin. It was about maybe an 1/8 inch thick, so I made some beefy ones here. It's 3/4 by 3/8 material. I added the hashing on there. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I also countersink the bolts. They're 1/4 20 screws, hex Allen key screws. Because as I said, one was missing, and the whole screw holes on the other one, they were plugged up. It looked like the previous owner had cut the screws off, cut them flush. So I just decided to go with brand new hardware. I'll show you the other one. So now what I'll do is I'll just start rebuilding it. First thing I'm going to do, take the screw handle, put it into the static jaw, and unlike many other vices that have an E-clip, this one just has a pin and a washer that holds it in place. Wobbly camera, I know. I don't apologize for anything. It's fine. I'm happy with the video. It's cool. Maybe someday I'll invest in an actual tripod that sits on the floor separate from the table, but until then you're stuck with wobbly videos. Next step, I put the base onto, or the body onto the base. As you can see, it has a threaded hole for a bolt to attach the base to. Just line it up. Screw that in there. It doesn't have to be super tight. And now assemble the swivel handle. See, as you can see, that allows you to swivel the vise to whatever angle you need it to be on your bench. flip it over, assemble this. This vise and many others are available for sale. Look me up on eBay. Galaxy279 is my seller ID. Next step, put some grease in there. I just take my regular standard red grease, put a little gob to make sure the handle and jaw opens in and out very smoothly. The width of maximum opening for usable workspace is about 3 inches, a little over 3. And as you can see, the jaws are about 3 1/4 inch wide. 3 1/4. So it was a little odd size, but that's okay. As you can see, I polished the tops of the jaws, mirror shine. Same with the anvil in the back. Nice and flush. Jaws close pretty good. Not 100% perfect, but close enough. Close enough for a vise that's probably about 70 years old, I'd say. The paint is a nice cherry red paint job with a gold paint pen. Now, if you're curious as I am, let's see how much what this anvil measures up at. 2 inches by about 1, and let's see, 1 13/16. All right, that's all for today. Thanks.